What's the meaning of conga? Conga. Conga.
Conga. Conga. Conga is a type of dance and music originating from Cuba. It involves a group of people forming a line and dancing to the beat of a drum or a set of drums. The dancers move their bodies in a particular sequence, emphasizing the hips and feet movements. The conga dance is characterized by its energetic rhythm, joyful ambience, and participatory nature, as it encourages people to join in the line. Overall, conga represents a vibrant part of Cuban culture, and its popularity has spread throughout the world as a form of entertainment and celebration.